Jenny was an active and healthy 50-year-old woman until one day she fractured her hip while gardening. The fracture came as a shock since she didn't fall or twist in any extreme way. At the hospital, she was diagnosed with osteoporosis, meaning her bones had become porous and weak. Jenny's story is not unique. Every year, osteoporosis contributes to more than 8.9 million fractures worldwide, according to the International Osteoporosis Foundation. To raise awareness of this silent disease, the World Health Organization launched World Osteoporosis Day on October 20, 1996. The campaign aims to educate people about the causes and prevention of osteoporosis. Osteoporosis develops slowly over many years, often without any symptoms, as bones lose density and become more fragile. It is most common in older women after menopause, but men and younger people can also be at risk. The good news is osteoporosis is largely preventable. Key prevention steps include maintaining a calcium-rich diet with foods like dairy, sardines, and leafy greens, getting enough vitamin D through sun exposure, fatty fish, and supplements, exercising regularly, limiting alcohol and caffeine, and avoiding smoking. For those diagnosed with osteoporosis, medications like bisphosphonates can help slow down or prevent bone loss. On World Osteoporosis Day, various events are held all over the world to raise public awareness about bone health and osteoporosis prevention. Landmarks like the Pyramids of Giza in Egypt and the Christ Redeemer statue in Brazil are lit up in the campaign signature blue color. Runners participate in the Run for Bone Healthy in Dublin, Ireland. Free bone density screenings and educational seminars are offered in cities across North America, Europe, Asia, and Australia. Osteoporosis is a serious global health issue, but the good news is it is preventable and even treatable with early diagnosis and management. On this World Osteoporosis Day, take steps to improve your bone health through eating right, exercising, and limiting risky behaviors. Strong bones are the foundation of an independent and active life at your age. By focusing on osteoporosis prevention today, you can avoid becoming part of the statistics tomorrow. October 20 is World Osteoporosis Day. Here is a painting with all your pastas for this special day, and have a special World Osteoporosis Day. Cheers!